In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Gantt chart using Google Colab. Okay, it's very easy to create Gantt chart with Google Colab completely free of charge. So to start with, you can go to your usual friend ChatGPT and can paste in a prompt like this: provide a detailed Gantt chart for my research project starting from this to this. Please number each task. These are the details. So what I want at the end is do not provide me a Python code using Plotly or Google Colab for me to print the chart from. So I can just hit an enter on this, and this is going to generate the code that I'm going to use in Google Colab. Okay, so this is the Python code that is using Plotly that it is going to generate for me, that I can just copy. So the code is ready, and this is the instruction on how I'm going to run it. So I can copy this code, so I can come to my search bar and just search for colab.google.com, colab.research.google.com, and it will bring you over here. So all you need to do is to click on new notebook. And once you're here, you can go ahead and paste in the code that you copied from ChatGPT. So we'll paste the code and click on run. And our code is ready. You can see it over here. You can download it as a PNG by clicking on this, and you have your Gantt chart downloaded. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.